Hello, this is Sim's Smart Farm. Today I talk to you about the usability of the Plant Incubator, which I have presented here as an interim summary. It works efficiently. The picture shows the lettuce with LED light of 100 hours in Plant Incubator is much bigger than lettuce without LED light. Okay, let's see the result in detail. Today I talk to you three topics. One is a review of Plant Incubator. Another is cultivation recipe for lettuce. The other is to compare lettuce between with and without LED lights. Here is a Plant Incubator which I made and have used. I used a big plastic box. The size is 75 cm for length, 56 cm for width, 45 cm for height. Here is the configuration with all parts. I used one ESP32 module, one DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, 3 MOSFET switches, 2 LED light strips, a fan, and 3 USB connectors. For more detailed information, please see DIY Plant Incubator video number 2. The pictures show how to put lettuce pots in the Plant Incubator and the image in operation. Okay, now I want to talk interim summary on the cultivation recipe of the lettuce here. At first I prepared the seeding pots and the bigger pots for transplanting. Here is the seeding pot which I have used in this time. I used a pot of mineral water plastic bottle of 1.5 liter. A cap is included in the pot. This cap is very useful for transplanting in a week. Due to the cap, I could transplant easily the lettuce to big pot. After that, I made pots for transplanting lettuce. The big pots are another pot of mineral water plastic bottle. I made the holes on the bottom of the pot for preventing accumulation of water, but they seem to be almost no need because I water very exact amount to pots. Okay, let's plant lettuce seeds to the prepared seeding pots. Here are the seeds of lettuce. They are very small. Be careful for handling them. The following video shows the procedure. After a week, I transplanted lettuce in the seeding pots to bigger pots. The lettuce grows up quickly and she needs a new house. The following video shows the procedure. I started to place the pots in a plant incubator from 14 days since planting lettuce seeds. The time in the planting incubator is about 8 hours a day. I placed the pots on the window frame in daytime. I did the first harvest at 28 days since planting lettuce seeds. It is really early harvest considering the lettuce cultivated at home without any fertilizer. I watered 0.7 liter each pot until the first harvest. It seems very eco-friendly. I want to emphasize again for the efficiency of the plant incubator, which I presented here. It is really effective for the growth of lettuce. Okay, it's all I want to talk today. See you the next video. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye.